In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up audio in Canva. If you've ever found yourself needing to speed up an audio file to match the tempo of your project, or simply make it fit a time constraint, you've come to the right place. We'll go through a straightforward process that allows you to adjust audio speed easily using a combination of tools, ensuring that you can keep your creative projects running smoothly and efficiently. Let's start by heading over to a particularly useful online tool called mp3cut.net. This website provides a simple and intuitive platform to make several adjustments to audio files, and today we'll focus on altering the playback speed. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a prominent option to open a file. Go ahead and click on that to select the audio file you wish to adjust. It's essential to ensure that your audio file is saved on your device so you can seamlessly upload it here. Next, you'll be directed to a user-friendly interface where you should see a speed slider at the bottom of the screen. This is where the magic happens. You can drag the slider to adjust the speed of your audio, either faster or slower. Take a moment to preview your adjustments to ensure it matches the pace you desire. Keep in mind that making your audio too fast can sometimes lead to a loss of clarity, so consider listening to short segments to fine-tune the speed more precisely. Once you're satisfied with the speed, it's time to save your progress. Click on the Save button, which allows you to download the newly adjusted audio file to your device. This step is crucial because it locks in your changes, making it ready for use in any projects you have lined up. After saving your file, let's switch our focus to Canva, a versatile design tool that's well known for integrating various media elements smoothly. Head over to Canva's official website and log into your account. Navigate to the Upload section. This is where you can import various types of media to use in your designs. Click on the Upload Files button and select the audio file you just adjusted. This step uploads the audio into your Canva library, making it available for use in any project you're working on, whether it's a presentation, video, or social media post. With the audio uploaded, you can now drag it directly into your project seamlessly, ensuring your creative vision comes to life with the perfect audio speed. Adjust its position in your timeline or presentation slide, and you're all set. This method does not only save you time, but also gives you the flexibility to match audio precisely to your creative content. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to speed up audio for your Canva projects, empowering you to enhance your design work effortlessly.